that didn't work. Oh, ate it. Ate it, a good one too. Oh, maybe we're putting something together. They just want something a little bit more subtle. And hey, who am I not to give them what they want? Second or third cast with that swim bait, and that dude dusted it. See ya. Maybe they want something a little more subtle. It's happening. We're figuring them out. Why will these fish not listen to me? Go eat it. Easy. That's a good one right there. I gotcha. And hook just the way you want them. Right in the beak. That is a good dude, no matter where you're fishing. Absolute chunk. Missed him. Missed him. I like when we start to figure something out. I mean, some kids it comes to real easy. I mean, some kids, they don't have to try real hard. But some kids, like me, you have to fail a lot. And then every once in a while, we get lucky. Let's get lucky right now, me and you. No, not that way, just lucky. I'm feeling lucky. There he is. Oh, we got him. Big one. Oh, look at this dude. Easy. Oh, that's a good dude right there. Oh, boy. Oh, man. Oh, I like it. Look at that dude. Dusted that cover craw. Sure took us a while, but I think slowly but surely, we're putting something together. Look at this. Watch, watch. His fin went down. Just got to rub his belly just a little bit right there. See? Oh, you want to make your pictures cooler? There's a tip for you. All you do, let his fin go down, then rub under here. Oh, it's like a dog. Oh, he likes it, doesn't he? See? There's a little trick. I mean, you may not learn how to catch squat here, but you can learn how to make a fish do this. Makes him feel all fluffy inside.